How to book an online proctored assessment on QuartzWeb. Go to https://ordering.lantra.co.uk. This will take you to the login screen. Enter your login credentials, as provided by Lantra, and click Login. This will take you to the home page. Please ensure you are an online administrator for your company. Click the Actions drop-down menu, and then select Register Qualification. This will take you to the Book the Order screen. You can either find the qualification by selecting the drop-down menus, Product Category, Product Subcategory, and Product. They take a few seconds to load per menu, and you will have to select something in all three menus. Or, you can type the course name or product code into the product box. Once you have selected the product you want, click the Continue button. This will then bring up the booking details screen. The order description field is optional. You can use it to give your order a description. The order start date and end date fields are mandatory. The purchase order number field is optional. You can add a purchase order number, if you have one. The course address field will be a drop-down menu of all of the venues you have listed for your account. Enter the number of learners you are booking onto the assessment. Once you have filled all the details in, click Continue. This will take you to the Confirm Order screen. Click Submit. This will then bring up the Place Order Submission Confirmation screen. Click View Order. It will then take you to the order screen. You may need to scroll down to enter your learner details. Click on Enter Single Learner Registration. Enter the learner details, and click the Add New Learner Registration button. Repeat until you have added all of your learners. Click the Results drop-down menu, and select Assessment Scheduling. This will take you to the screen to book the exam. Tick the learners you want to schedule the assessment for, and then fill in the assessment start date and time, and the assessment end date and time. This is the period where learners will be able to log into exams and take the test. It will not affect how long learners will have to complete the test. Click Submit. It will then bring up the e-assessment batch submission screen. Click Confirm. It will then bring up the e-assessment submission confirmation screen. Click Continue. It will then bring you back to the assessment scheduling screen. If you have more learners that you need to schedule different assessment times for, you can do this here. Otherwise, click Back to Order. This will bring you back to the main order screen. You can now exit QuartzWeb.